Tracking your competitors' social media engagement is critical to staying ahead in the digital marketing game. But how do you actually do it without spending hours analyzing data? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to track competitor social media engagement using Browse AI, an AI-powered tool that automates data extraction from social media and websites with zero coding required. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be able to easily monitor your competitors' performance, gain valuable insights, and optimize your own strategy. Now, before we dive into the steps, I want to let you know that you can try Browse AI completely free with an exclusive bonus by clicking the first link below. Don't miss out on this offer. It's a great way to get started with a tool that can save you tons of time. Browse AI helps you track social media engagement by automating the process of scraping relevant data across multiple platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. You'll be able to gather real-time engagement metrics such as likes, comments, shares, and follower growth, all without the need for manual tracking. The best part? No coding knowledge is required. Browse AI does all the heavy lifting for you. To get started, first sign up for Browse AI and connect your account. Once you're in, set up a robot. That's what they call their automated task agents. These robots will visit the social media profiles you want to track and collect data at regular intervals. It's as simple as pointing the robot at a competitor's page and telling it what kind of engagement data you want to pull. For example, let's say you're tracking a competitor's Instagram account. You can set your robot to extract data on how many likes, comments, and shares each post gets. If your competitor posts something with massive engagement, you'll immediately know what's working and can adapt your content strategy accordingly. The same goes for Twitter or Facebook pages. Browse AI lets you pull engagement data across platforms in minutes, not hours. What's powerful about this tool is that you can track trends over time. You can compare how competitors' engagement has changed week over week or month over month. This insight will not only help you optimize your own social media efforts, but will also help you predict upcoming trends, allowing you to stay ahead of the curve. Another useful feature of Browse AI is its ability to track competitors' hashtag performance. For social media platforms like Instagram and Twitter, hashtags are a great way to categorize content and measure its reach. You can set up your robot to track which hashtags are getting the most engagement, giving you a clear picture of your competitors' most effective strategies. As a digital marketer, this data is gold. It allows you to quickly identify high-performing content, learn what resonates with your target audience, and refine your own social media campaigns to improve engagement. If you're worried about missing any updates, Browse AI lets you set alerts for specific keywords or engagement metrics. So if your competitor posts a piece of content that quickly goes viral, you'll be notified right away. This is incredibly useful for competitive analysis and allows you to react promptly to market shifts. Lastly, remember that you can try Browse AI for free. This is a great opportunity to dive into the software and start tracking your competitors' engagement without any upfront cost. Just click the link below to claim your exclusive extended free trial and start benefiting from the insights it provides. By using Browse AI to track competitor social media engagement, you're not just gathering data, you're gaining the actionable insights needed to drive your own social media success. Whether you're a small business or a large corporation, the ability to measure what's working for others and apply those strategies to your own campaigns is a game changer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out the link below for your exclusive free trial and start using Browse AI to track social media engagement like a pro.